mirror knows your every move. It controls what you think. Think of the first animal that comes to your mind. Think of any city at all. Just think of the first letter. And there's only one way out. Join the Black Mirror Project and your phone becomes your tool. Utilize your real native iOS features and be ready to perform at a moment's notice. I'm gonna go on Google Maps and I'll show you what I'm doing, but I won't show them, okay? You saw what I did, right? I put a city on Google Maps. Here. Think of any city at all, type it there, make sure he knows what it is, but don't show her, don't show me. Go into my Google Maps app. Is that the city you were thinking of? This is not a magic app. Every effect ends clean. It's incredibly hands-off and easy to perform. Think of the first animal that comes to your mind. Got it? And show him what it is. So don't show me. Put the phone face down. Before we started, I mentioned I went to the zoo earlier. I literally took only one photo. It's in my photo gallery. It should be one of the last ones if you can go and check it.
I have no idea how you're doing this. I'm so confused and scared at the same time.
After creating Vox and Synergy, David Jonathan is back with another mind-melting masterpiece. These are the top 20 travel hotspots. Where would you go?
Cancun, dude.
Cancun? There it is, Cancun. You guys are probably thinking all the places are beaches. This is just like any other beach. But if you check the geotag, look, the geotag is actually, do you see that? That's Cancun right there, look.
Oh, that's really crazy.
When's your birthday?
October 18th. Okay, that's...
What date is that?
That's my birthday.
And if you were to have one of these choices, which one of these would you have? What number?
Probably 7.
The luggage set? I have a photo right there. Is actually, you see there your gift? How many photos are in there?
2.
But check it out, look, inside is literally only a luggage set. When is your birthday?
April 19th.
I took this photo last year. Look at the date that this photo was taken on. The peaks fly by unnoticed. Repeat it over and over. Alberca. Is that it?
Yo, wait, what? Go in English.
All right, you're gonna give me 6 completely random numbers. I have a photo here on my phone that I want to show you. You can see right here, 06, 12, 31, 20, 18, and 03.
Oh, holy California didn't blame.
The routines are insane. Imagine a book test with real books, real pages, and a free choice. Pick any book at all that you want and hold the phone face down and start swiping back and forth to any page so that it's completely, truly random. You could have stopped anywhere you want, take a look at the first word, and now let her swipe back and forth. You look at another word, okay? Look at the first word that starts on that page. Think of your word, command. Command. Wow. Is that what you're thinking? Yes? Okay. Now let's try it with you. You're thinking of a word, right? It's a C. It starts with a C, right? Courage? Is it courage? You're thinking of courage? There you go. 7. Mind altering. Routines.
I don't know how you're going into my head.
That will shatter their reality. David Jonathan welcomes you to the Black Mirror Project.